My name's Glenn Richards, and this is my 1922 Leyland S30 truck. I've owned the truck for about 25 years, and the truck was purchased from the Jim Scott collection at Penrith in Sydney. Jim Scott had a company called Cine Cars, and he specialised in movie props. And this truck last worked on a film called Caddie, which was filmed down around the rocks in Sydney in the Depression era. And Caddie couldn't pay her rent on her house and was evicted. And if you watch the movie, you'll see this truck turn up with Jim Scott removals on it. We've basically just bought this truck in running condition. It was in Jim's paddock and was driven onto a float. And only the timber work has been replaced on the truck. A few little mechanical bits and pieces have been done. For example, the radiator's been cleaned out. But I specifically wanted to keep it basically the same. It's been repainted. It runs fine. I have difficulty starting it. It's very hard to turn over. So we take the easy way out and we just tow start it. That's why the chain's on the back. But it rarely gets out. And in the last 5 years, I've placed it on long-term loan to the Corindi Rural Heritage Village, where it's now housed. They were looking for exhibits, and it's got a good home in there. The 30 horsepower Leyland. There are a few of these around, but they're mostly all been fully restored, nuts and bolts restorations, where this one's basically the way I got it. It could do with the paint job, that's about it. But once again, a very hard truck to drive. I have never got into top gear. I don't know how people drove them. Very hard, yeah.